Secrets of the law of attraction. This whole universe is governed by some powerful laws, including the amazing law of attraction. Whatever we emit out to this universe, we will attract it towards us. When we live with aims and goals every single day, we are actually attracting the best possible results. So, why is it that even if you focus on your goals, nothing changes at all? Why is it that even if you look on the bright side of things, you fail to achieve something in your life? If it is happening to you, then you need to know some secrets. Yes, some secrets of the law of attraction, so that next time you could make things happen. Are you excited to know the secrets? Then just stay tuned with this video. The true thing is that the law of attraction is not as easy as it sounds. It's not as easy as going to the supermarket and get what you want, or ordering your favorite dish at your favorite restaurant. If we could get things just by wishing about them, then we could easily get money, love, health, or whatever we want. Isn't it so? This powerful law is more than just wishing or visualizing things in your mind. Its secrets lie in strong beliefs, dedication, intense efforts, and appropriate actions. We think that visualizing things will be enough to attract what we want. But the reality is that the energy of your visualizations matters the most. How do you feel when you listen to a relaxing song? You feel peaceful and calm, right? Why is it so? It's because the energy that is emitted out from the words and tone of that song soothes you. So there is a strong connection between the law of attraction and energy. So to make the law of attraction work for you, you need to align yourself with the tune of what you really want. Just put your mind, body, and soul in tune with the energy of what you want in your life. Let this energy create your visions. When you will concentrate and make a commitment, it will increase the vibrations of success in your life. Your body will activate billions of cells, which will generate the energy of your desires and goals. It's your task to get in tune with this energy so that you can turn your desires into reality. This is the core secret of the law of attraction. Thinking in terms of energy and vibrations. What happens when you go to the temples, mosques, churches, or simply sit in the silent, natural surroundings? Why do you feel so peaceful? It's because you just let yourself to be tuned with the positive energy of your environment. You receive images of your God through your eyes and sounds of religious music through your ears. Then you totally get in tune with those positive energies. You see this beautiful scene of natural landscapes, you listen to the sounds of relaxing river water, and you are totally taken away by the positive energies of nature. And when terrible things run in your mind, then even such religious spots or natural landscapes cannot help you to gain peace. Even in the midst of such a peaceful environment, you may not experience calmness. Why is it so? It is because our internal world actually creates our external world. So one of the powerful secrets of the law of attraction is to create only positive thoughts and vibrations in your mind as well as in your spoken words. But how can you do that? How can you actually get in tune with the positive vibrations? Well, you can do this by changing your belief systems. If you are focusing on having more money in the future and at the same time you are doubting yourself, you are afraid of struggles or the idea of failures troubles you, then it is really not going to work. It is obvious that you will attract more negative things in your life as you are tuned with negative emotions. Your visualizations and your focus are of no use then. So stop having negative belief system and start getting in tune with the positive vibrations of your success. The day when you will emit the right vibrations and get in alignment with them, you will attract what you actually want. That's when the whole universe will work for you. And that's when the law of attraction will manifest your desires. Are you ready for this? Thank you very much.